If you're listening to this, you are undoubtedly aware of all the buzz generated by the new Netflix TV show, Tidying Up with Marie Kondo. You're probably also aware of the increasing problem of clutter at home, perhaps your own, but often someone else's. But what about your own workspace? Many people spend more waking hours in their office than they do anyplace else. It's easy to look around and see how other people could make their office a more productive environment, but often we become totally oblivious to our own space because it's so familiar. Hello, I'm Barbara Hemphill. Look around your office. How does it make you feel? Inspired? Energized? Creative? I certainly hope so. But if it doesn't, today is a good day to start making changes so it will. While Marie Kondo's question, does it spark joy, has greatly inspired many people to the point that some thrift stores are completely overwhelmed, it has also intimidated and discouraged many with whom I've spoken. So let's take it down a notch. Start by sitting at your desk where you spend most of the time in your office. Look around, really look around. Pick up each item on the desk and ask the question, does this help me accomplish my work or enjoy my life? If the answer is not really, it's clutter, and you can't afford it. If whatever you are looking at creates any negative feelings, you don't need it, or you need to change it. For example, if you look at your computer desktop and it's crammed with icons you don't even recognize, that's clutter. Create one folder to put all the icons you don't recognize, and you can go through them later, or never. What about that paperclip holder? Is it attractive? Is it full of dust and sprung paper clips? If so, look around your home and find a beautiful container that makes you smile and donate the old one. How about the bulletin board over your desk? Here's a fact. Bulletin boards are good for two things, information and inspiration. When you mix the two on the same board, it becomes clutter. Simply putting a ribbon down the center will solve the problem. On one side, put the info you need to access very frequently. On the other side, put up items that inspire you and change them frequently so you really see them. The key word is intentional. Physical and digital clutter is often a symptom of emotional and spiritual clutter. Clutter is postponed decisions. Let's talk about how you can accomplish your work and enjoy your life in your workspace. Thanks for listening.